Never let those boring video backgrounds prevent you from putting out your content out there. Now, there's no need to worry any longer, because in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make your video backgrounds more beautiful and appear very, very realistic. Most of us find it difficult to share our contents to the world or to the public because the background of our videos are not pleasing to the eyes, or let me say they are most times very boring. So we find it difficult. That kind of like restricts us from putting our content outside. So there's no need to worry about those boring backgrounds any longer, because in this particular tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change those backgrounds to something more beautiful and realistic. In fact, it should look so realistic that people watching you shouldn't even notice that there's a background in the first place. That should be the idea. So if this is what you're interested in, then stay tuned and keep watching to the end, because I'm going to show you all the technique that will make this look real and beautiful, and because they are all linked together. So please watch to the end of this video so that you can get the whole picture. So to achieve this, we're going to be making use of two apps. We're going to be making use of CapCut and Canva. Now, before we move into the production of the video, before I show you how this video is actually done, there are some things I want you to bear in mind. One is that the original background you're making your video should not have different colors that are very contrasting. That means that it should be kind of plain, very plain, and there should be the place where you're shooting the video should be very well lit. What I mean is that there should be enough light to prevent shadows, because if there's shadows is going to disturb the final production. Also, your outfits that you're wearing should stand out from your original background. Should stand out, the color should be different. Having said all this, now let's move straight to the actual tutorial, where I will show you step by step how you can make changes to your video production background. First, you go to CapCut, then you click on expand and then click on text to image. You can click on showcase to immediately select a picture of your choice that is already made by the app already. These are ready-made pictures. You can check trends, check realistic, check design, and check the illustration. Those are the various options in the showcase. We have a very beautiful collection of pictures here. Very nice concept that you can make use of. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of the create section so that we can have more freedom to make our own images. First, you click on this filter icon right here to adjust the ratio aspects. We have 16:9, we have 9:16. This 16:9 is for normal YouTube long videos, while the 9:16 is for YouTube shorts, and it can also be used for your TikTok videos. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making use of 16:9, and then for the quality, make sure it's at 50. For higher intensity means better image quality. In this box, you are going to describe the image you want to generate. As for me, I ChatGPT to give me an idea, and I copy and pasted it right here. Then I will now click on generate. These are the pictures it's generated for me, so I'll click on this button here to view it in full. Click the image that you like to highlight it, then click on HD upscale to make it a high definition. Then you click on save. Then you can click on the upscale button there to export it to other social media, or click on this image icon to select your picture you just generated to import it straight into your CapCut. You can delete this CapCut ending. Now you click on the picture you just generated. Drag the edge to extend the time frame of the picture to suit your original video length. Click on this plus sign here to add your original video. Now you click on your video to highlight it. Then you click on overlay. Now you click on the video and drag it to the beginning of the picture you are going to be using as your background. Click on your video again, and this time around you click on remove BG, remove the background. Then click on auto removal. Then you click on this sign. Now you use your thumb and your index finger to increase or reduce the size of your video and position it in the area where you want it to be on your video background. Now, next thing I'm going to do is to split my original video to prevent it from freezing, because if you don't do that, it will have this freezing effect, like play and stop kind of. So that is why I am splitting the video. You split it as much as possible, as much as you can split. And if you notice, I did the removal of the background, did the resizing of the video before splitting it into bits. That is kind of making it easier for me. Now, once you're done splitting, you go back here, and then once nothing is highlighted, click on effects. Then click on video effects. Ensure you are connected to the internet. Now on the search area, you search for blur. Click on the first item there. Click on it again to adjust. Now you can increase or reduce the intensity of the blur. Let us leave it at 8. Click on cancel to go back. Then click on this sign here. You can now see the blur sign. Now you can click and drag the edge of this blur sign to place the blur in wherever you want on your video background. The purpose of this blur is to actually make the picture background look real while increasing the focus on the main video. Basically, what I am doing right now is trimming the edge of my photo background to be at the same length with my original video. Once you're done now, you can click on export. And now here's our final production. To use a video for our background, we are going to be making use of an app called Pixels. So you download it from Play Store and you install it in your phone. This is the home page. In this particular app, you can have access to various pictures and videos to make use of in your videos production, and it's free of charge, no royalty issues or copyright issues. So just go to the search button here and type whatever picture you're looking for, picture or video that you want. Like I said, there are so many beautiful collection of pictures here. It will just like leave you confused. You wouldn't know, which one to select. First, you click on this filter icon, so you can be able to adjust the orientation of the picture or video, whether it's portraits, whether it's landscape, and also the size of the picture, if it's large, if it's medium or small. You can also adjust or select the kind of picture, the color of the picture you want. Various colors here. We have so much freedom here, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be going for a landscape. Let's focus on what we came to this app to get, which is some videos. And once you click on videos, all the videos will come out for what you searched for, and you will now be able to select from the various collection. And just like the pictures, these are very beautiful too. Now you click on the particular one you want, and then you click on download. Click on download again, and then click on full HD, that is full high definition. Now we go back to CapCut, and then you select the video we just downloaded from Pixels. This is the video right here that I downloaded from Pixel. I added a multiple video, that is 2 videos from Pixel, just to make spicing up things. And I deleted this CapCut ending before I started any other stuff. So next you click on the plus icon, and then you click on your original video. Yes, so in order not to make this video very long, the process of making a video background is exactly the same thing with what we did when we were making a background using a photo. So I'm going to just skip some of those steps, and just that there's one major difference in the two, and I'm going to be showing you that difference right now. Some of the videos we download from Pixels comes with a sound, so we must ensure that we mute that sound before we export our final production. First, we click on the video, then we click on volume, then we take it to 0, and that is muting it. Remember, if you have multiple videos as a background, you must also mute the volume of all the videos. Once you're done with that, then you click on this 720 pixels up here. Then you increase the resolution to 1080 pixels and the frame rate to 50. Now you click on the export icon. But just before we export, there's something I need to show you. So let's go back. Tap on this arrow to go back. Tap it again to go back. Now make sure nothing is selected. Then you click on aspect ratio to confirm that it is on the right ratio of your choice. And that is 16:9. So I'm going to put it at 16:9. If you're posting your video on TikTok, then you should be going for 9:16. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and please subscribe if you are yet to. I'll see you in my next video, and until next time, all the best.